So my name is Leonard. You can call me
Natalie.
Panoorin ka.
Mag-vlog ka na sa Japan.
Sabi mo.
僕は未だに夢から出るの
Three.
暗闇の中君を置いてったもう君はここにいないはずだから歪むような記憶忘れたはずだったでもどうしても消えずどうすればいい誰か教えて僕は誰だどこへ行っても君がいるんだそうゆらりゆらりと舞い上がるかげろうのようなんだ一緒に遠く行こうと君はささやいたもう逃げられしないすぐそばに君がいる暗闇の中でそっと触れた気がした僕を覚めやしない夢なんかじゃないんだ思い出に今も取りつかれてるのかな君との僕を置いていきな痛みなども感じたかない元にはもう戻れない元にはもう戻れない
Tell, how do you see yourself 5 years from now?
Probably nagtatrabaho na ako sa Japan since nag-apply ako dito. So, I want to pursue someday since lahat naman kaming pamilya, niya, nag-abroad. Especially to may tita, nag-abroad din talaga siya sa Japan. So, probably naman makakaroon ako ng trainer for my language. Siguro nakikita ko yung sarili ko sa nagpa-farm sa Poland or Switzerland.
How do you see yourself 5 years from now?
5 years from now, I think I see myself 5 years from now having also a farm of lettuce din. Kasi nakaka-enjoy siya gawin. So, pero bago yun, gusto ko rin muna mag-abroad din sa Japan. Ma-experience yung magtanim din ng mga lettuce doon. So ayun, kapag naka-earn ng money, in the future, sana di ma-jinx, magkaroon din ako ng ganitong farm. So ayun, sana matupad.
How do you see yourself 5 years from now?
I see myself 5 years from now. Maybe I'm in Japan and maybe I have a business here in the Philippines.
How do you see yourself 5 years from now?
Probably as here in Japan. I'll be raising my family and apply all these lessons I've learned here in Sensitivity Academy, especially in terms of hydroponics.